What's up, world? Back again with another video. Look at this, man. So Saturday, I should say, Saturday, I went back to the truck, man. When I went back to the truck, I seen a big puddle of oil, and I car breakdown, and you know, they didn't come on Saturday, so I waited for a phone call. It didn't come. So Sunday come around, and I'm like, shoot, I gotta pick up today. So I'm trying to figure out where breakdown at. Finally, it gets around 4:30, 5 o'clock, and I get a call saying somebody's coming to the truck. So I'm like, all right, cool. My pickup was at 12:30, but that's here nor there. They come to the truck, and I'm just trying to get this stuff because I'm about to move up so I can do this drop off. So they come to the truck, and he's like, man, we can't find the leak, but I put more oil in there. I'm like, what? Like, does that really make sense? But you know, I ain't arguing with nobody. So I get a call from overnight dispatch. They're like, hey, they put more oil in there, and they couldn't find a leak, and you're good to go. Like, bro, you really just said that. Did that sound right when it came out your mouth? Like, does that make sense? But you know what I mean? That's what they said. So I was like, I guess. So I call the mechanic because, you know what I mean, I text him the pictures and whatnot. So I call him. I'm like, hey, they said that you just put more oil in there and you couldn't find the leak. You know what I mean? But they're telling me I should, you know, go to my pickup location. He was like, I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how that made sense, but it is what it is. So I get to my pickup location. I probably get there around like midnight, maybe even a little later. I get loaded, I strap it down, and you know, obviously it was probably around like 1:30. So I said, nah, I'm gonna call it a quit today. I'll wake up first thing in the morning and I'll you know, go to my drop off. I wake up and there's a puddle of oil again. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, damn. So I call my dispatch and I tell him, and then he's like, man, call breakdown again. Call breakdown. They say, finish your drop off. After you're done dropping it off, come to the terminal, because I'm in Dallas and the terminal is probably about 40 miles away from Dallas. So I'm like, all right, man, like, I guess, you know what I mean? So I get here, I'm here now. Once again, there's another puddle of oil, and I'm like, I don't know, man. I really don't know. I really don't know what's going on with this truck, but I guess I'm gonna finish this drop off right now, and we're gonna kind of go from there. We're gonna see what the issue is. Hopefully I don't have no issues from here to the terminal. That's what I'm praying for. I'm praying that I have no issues and I can just get there and we can just figure this out and kind of go from there. So that's the goal. But I kind of want to just give y'all an update on what's going on with my truck, bro. Damn, bro, this is my baby too. We've been through so much. We've been through so much. So we got to get her right, and you know what I mean, keep it moving. So we're gonna see what's good, man. All right, so I just got unloaded. Bunch of Slinkies, y'all see. Well, peep this though. What are you talking about? source of oil. I don't really know what's going on, bro. But they sent me another load. They told me that they were going to send me back to the terminal, but they gave me another load. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Really don't know what to really do, but guess I'll just head to this load. It's only an hour away, so it's not that far, but alright, so yeah, I don't know what they really want me to do. Well, I know what they want me to do, but I don't understand it. Cause this shit leaking. But we're gonna do what we do. Go from there. Oh, look at this shit. Every time I'm at a standstill, it's a puddle. I don't know what the hell is going on with this truck. Well, I just got here, picked up my first load. I'm about to drop it off. It's only like a 50-mile drive. It ain't too much. So just picked this up. I'm gonna drop it off right now. And after that, I gotta figure out what's going on with this truck. Look at my tarp game though. So I tell y'all boys, stop playing with me. But yeah, just picked this up. We're about to drop this off. Bro, my edge protector broke. It's gonna be a hazard. Yeah, that is gonna fly off. Get this off. I don't know wood to fly on nobody's window or nothing. So messed up tarp. Yeah, we all set. Good to go. We gotta figure out what's going on with this though, man. That's too much oil. Sit this right here. Go get this paperwork too. Alright, got my paperwork. Now it's time to get it. Boom. And show y'all how it is on the road. That's lit. That's what I'm gonna do. That's lit. Alright, bet. That's hard. It's the same phone holder that I said I was gonna take back because it's supposed to charge the phone. And I'm like, bro, it don't even charge, but I can like do the little whoop-de-whoop and record how I'm driving. So that's what I'm gonna do. Everybody keep telling me about this oil leak. I'm trying to tell, boy. They talking about, so you don't wanna blow your engine. Shit, that's what I've been trying to tell them. That's exactly what I've been trying to tell them.